Oh, so until yesterday, I finished three of responsive web design projects. It was not actually like a project, but just a small web page coding questions, and there is an answer already. So I can see the actual answer, while if I just change its structure into change the view into editor's view, then I can see the HTML, CSS, etc. Even I don't need to fully generated this HTML code, but just to make a small responsive web design project to build a technical documentation page. So as I have done yesterday, go to this page. While this is a sample, this is I have my account here, so change its name, free code camp, question 4, and the party yesterday I had, so I'm not sure where it was. Wait a sec. Maybe here. No. Users, yes. Users, Sean, and no file is here, which means maybe it is in the Windows system folder. So after I finish this the free code project thingy, I'm gonna move on to the Linux system, so I can get used to for a Linux. But for now, only 2 pages left. So, and I didn't figure out how to use the Vim in my machine. So that part is what I need to take a time to adjust. Windows. No, I don't know. Or maybe I didn't save it. So maybe I can just start it from scratch. Should I? Open. Public. Show. Oh, right. That file should be here. Yes. Yeah, this one. Exactly. So from here, I need to copy this script and put it into my home page and set, and it will show the selected test suite, and the page that requires is this one: responsive web design products. Build a technical document page. Technical document page is here. So if I run this one, it'll show this kind of errors. So from here, I'm gonna copy the user story from 1 to 15. And once you're done, submit the URL, copy. Since I copied it, so I'm gonna paste it here and start. Or I don't need this part anymore, so let's delete and then copy and paste the user story to the bottom here. Just finish this template page and go here, header, ID, header, something, something, help. The main issue here is this one. Still, it's better for me to look at the tag format. So just have this type of color to easy to read. I can see a many element with a corresponding ID main document ID. Copy, paste. Just copy and paste this part because eventually I need to use that. ID, this one. Yeah. I can see a main element with a main element. So I'm gonna put main element header. In here, I'm gonna add a main element with ID this. Story 2 within the main doc element. I can see several section elements, each with a class of main section. So div class equal, wait a second, equal, I need to use equal of this one. Oh no, equal and this what's name? Class of main section. So copy 5, minimum 5. The first element with each main section should be a header element. Which contains text that Okay, in the div, it doesn't work. Yep. And each of the element contains text that describes the topic and the section. Header element. So 14, just paste, test 1, and copy, paste, and each header wait a second. 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay. Each section element with the class of a main section should also have an ID that corresponds with the text of each header contained within it. So this section, for those work, Sublime is very easy to control. So Control Alt Enter, and class is Control ID equal here, test 1. Copy and yeah, and E is go to end and click 3 and E and 4 E 5. So let's make it as a capital 17. Corresponding with the text of each header contained within, any spaces should be replaced with a underscore. So it's done. The main section element, so because it's a period, it means class. Main section elements should contain at least 10 paragraph elements total, not each. So here, make a paragraph and close 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Main section elements should contain at least 5 code elements total. I don't know what this means. Code element. Code element HTML. Control tab. So when saying element, code element is a kind of usually placed inside a pre to take advantage of its characteristics, spaces and line. Wow, why it's so cold? Okay, I will get back. Oh, it's so cold. My jacket. I'm looking at the masters of my master of computer science. Canada is only 100% owned as master of a computer science program. I'm a leader in computer science. Undergraduate degree in computer science. Master of Computer Science. Highest level education. Complete high school or college. Yeah. Next. Okay. Let's check about the. Okay. Let's stop here. Sorry. I forgot that I start the reading code and where is that? Here. Start. Okay, from now on, focus on 24 minutes, 25 minutes study of this. Okay, so the code element. I was studying about what is code element. The code element is usually placed inside a phrase to take advantage of its characteristics, spaces, and line breaks in the code are respected and rendered in the development in the document. Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna have inside of my paragraphs, I'm gonna have a few code thingy. So I got at least 5. See? Like that. Where the so I don't care which content do I need to input, but for now just go to the next step and the 5 li item in total. Okay, so here li is a list, so li, and because I have 5 lists here, so I got it. So I've done these 2 lines. I can see a nav element with a corresponding ID and nav bar. So I have one nav bar part here. It could be in the heading instead of nav. The nav bar element should contain one header element which contains text. So in the nav element, I need to have a header element, which contains text. documentation content. Yep. The navbar element should contain one header element which contains text that describes the topic document. So go so the reason why I just separate these into two is because to read it easier. So you just return. Additionally, the navbar should contain link A element with the class of navlink. Wait a second. Before going here, oh no. Yeah. Yes, here. Copy. And go back to here. And here. Nav should contain, navbar should contain link A element with the class of navlink. So its class is class is nav slash no, this one, nav link. I think equal isn't much more used. Anyway, yeah, you know what? To be honest, it is more you know what? Equal. So equal is here because equal is equal and equal, but this is much easier for just in case, and hyphen backslash. So I'm going to change this one to this one, this one to this one. See, hyphen equal. I'm not sure which one is much easier to use. And okay, first save slash Control. Anyway. Mirror. And K. This is a kind of special stuff, usually not used much. Anyway, nav link. There should be one for every element with the class and main section. So handle reference is 1. Copy ID, I don't know. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. The header element in the nav bar must come before any link. The header element in the nav bar Yes. Each element with the class of nav link. Oh, wait a sec. I need to check something. Phew. Sorry, there was something that I had to check before my work. So here, any link A element in the navbar elements in the navbar. Each element with the class navbar should contain text that corresponds to the header text within each section. Yes, I have. When I click on a navbar element, the page should navigate to the corresponding section of the main doc element. Yes, because I set up the link and the reference. I'm not sure if I need to put the shop here. Yes, I need to, because this is the ID name. So element on regular size devices, laptop, desktop, the element with the ID navbar should be shown on the left side of the screen, and then should always be visible to the user. I'm not sure how to deal with it. For now, just copy. No, not everything, but until here. So copy everything from everything of the HTML section, and then put it into my document page, and then paste and enter. Run the test. It passes 10 of them, but not 6. Within the main doc element, I can see several section elements, each one with a class of a main section, and there should be minimum 5. Not all of the elements with the class of the main section are section element. Okay, not a P, but section. So main section. So yeah, I just made a div, which should not. So again, paste and run the test. I can see a nav element with a corresponding ID, navbar. Why navbar? So navbar, run the test. Yes. So 2 left. So the HTML section has been done. So the 5 minutes passed. So wait 5 seconds, and then just walk around and we'll come back. Or I'm gonna stop the streaming